Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how you can update your system update on Android mobile phone. Without much delay, I'm into video. If you are having Android phone like this, just go to settings. Going to settings is so easy. See, this one is the symbol for settings. You can go into settings. After going to settings, you will find system in your mobile phone. Various mobile phones will have various options for this one. So, search for your system in the thing and click the system. After clicking the system, if anything is available like advanced, you go there. So, if I see system update is available here in this mobile, if I click this one, automatically the update will be updated on this mobile phone. Let's see what happens. I'm just clicking system update. So, after system update clicking, it will ask you download and install. So preferably it should be on Wi-Fi, then only generally if it is much of size, it can be easily possible through Wi-Fi only. If you observe 1.52 GB is ready for install. So, after this one I will be just clicking download and install. After download and install has been pressed, the installing system update has started and it will take time. Till the time I will wait and show it to you the next one. In general, all these system updates are to fulfill your security updates, and if some patches are there on your Android, then through these updates all those telephone manufacturing companies, mobile manufacturing companies will give it through these system updates. So, this will happen frequently whenever they release those updates are ready on your phone. Until and unless you press for system update, it won't automatically happen. If you customize for auto system update when the Wi-Fi is there, then also it may happen. If you observe, around 70% system update has already happened and another 30% only left over. Let's finish. It's almost finished, around 100% done, and now it will ask you to restart the mobile phone. Once everything is installed with the system update, then our mobile phone will ask for restart. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel and see you in the next one.